Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again. Today I am going to show you how to shave your face. Today I'm using the Feather Flamingo blade, which looks like that. Most people think when you shave your face, your hairs are going to grow back coarser, thicker, and that's just not the case. Basically, the reason why we shave our face is for better makeup application, to get rid of the peach fuzz on your face as well. It just makes your skin look lighter in complexion because you don't have that darkness of the hair. Even though sometimes you can't see the hair, when you're in the light, you can see the small hairs on your face. Don't be scared to give this a go. I promise it's not going to grow back thicker and it's not going to grow back coarse. Just make sure when you're doing this to be really careful. It is quite sharp, so just be careful. Just want to put that out there. So basically what you'll need is your blade. You'll also need, I like to use an oil. So this is the Josie Moran oil. Or you can use a cream, just so when you're applying the blade, it doesn't get stuck onto your skin, it goes on smoothly. You'll also need either a tissue, or I just use a baby wipe just to get all the hairs off my blade. And that's basically it. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. So first I'm going to apply the oil to one side of my face. You can also use this blade to shape your eyebrows as well, but just be careful because once this takes off the hair, it's gone. So just be safe, okay? I like to start on the lower end of my jawline, and then I'll show you exactly all the hairs on the baby wipe. So what I like to do is I grab my blade, I pull down my skin just to give a bit of tension. And you always want to stroke up, never stroke down, always stroke upways and on an angle. So not straight on like that, you want it like that, going up like that. And just be very careful, please. I don't want you guys to get cut, okay? So just be careful. So just with little strokes. Now your face is going to get red, that's normal. So I'll just show you there. That's all tiny baby hairs that's come off the face. It's pretty gross. I also like to do just here behind my ear, my neck, and be very careful on the neck. The neck skin is quite thin, so please be careful. So I'd say the only time you would go down with the blade is for your eyebrows, just on the top of them. So you can even clean up under here, under your brow. So, but be very careful, please. I wouldn't try this on your first go. Okay, now I'm going to go on to the other side of my face. Now I love this for the top lip, so good. So you just put your tongue in the inside of your mouth, like that. Be extremely, extremely gentle around the lips because this is quite sharp. Careful also when you're wiping onto the tissue paper or the baby wipe, because the blade can actually cut through the paper, and I actually did that once and I got a finger bleed. Okay, so I'm done with shaving my face. Now I'm going to show you all the hairs on the tissue paper. It's not dirt, I promise, it's just the hairs. It looks pretty gross, but my skin is a lot smoother now. If I was to apply foundation, it would go on a lot smoother. If you do give this a go, please comment down below how your experience went and try foundation on top of your skin and just see how that goes. I probably wouldn't put the foundation on straight away just because you may have also cut your skin. You don't want to put some foundation into that. So I would probably do it the following day. Let your skin heal. Just basically wash your face just with water to cool everything down because your face does get a little bit warm. That's basically it. You're all done. Don't forget to clean your blades very well with soap and water and then just close it up and put it away for next time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below any questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope this helped you a little bit and don't be scared. I promise it's not gonna grow back like a man. I promise you that. Anyways, I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah.